What's up guys, Legendary here, and before first thing first, we start this video, I want to apologize to everyone who subscribed and clicked on this video right today and now, because I haven't been around this channel for 3 weeks and I haven't been really uploading videos because of school. So this is the main reason and a little bit of other stuff. So for me school is here on the first stop, then it's like YouTube and other stuff. I have to take care of school because school is for me really important, and as most of you who watch this video, so yeah, take care of your school and do other stuff like for me YouTube. But I really love doing videos, so I'm back with a new video. So you clicked on this video because it says how to make your sneakers waterproof, and basically for this video you're gonna need a pair of shoes and of course a CREPPROTECT product. For me, I don't know why, but I trust the most this company and I love it. So here's the product, as you can see, and CREPPROTECT, please, if you watch this, I will link down below channel and also site where you can buy this, and of course where you can buy this, the Cure Travel CREPPROTECT travel kit. So I used this in my previous video of cleaning this Adidas shoe. Look at this, how clean it is. So it's worth to buy it. Not sponsoring or anything, but CREPPROTECT, if you watch this, please you can sponsor me and send me some stuff like this.
Okay.
Of course, then the ultimate, here's the CREPPROTECT product, as I mentioned earlier. It is the ultimate rain strain resistant barrier. This product is gonna make your sneakers waterproof, so let's get started. So as I said earlier, the second pair of our video is the Adidas NMD, and this because I'm wondering how the CREPPROTECT is working on the on this material, because the Jordans are made of leather and it's different material, and that's pretty much it. So let's spray. And last but not least is this OG custom Jordan 9 Galaxy that I've done in the couple videos ago, and OGs will remember it. So our last pair of sneaker is gonna be my old Nike Air Max 97. I've chosen this shoe because I'm not gonna spray, and you're gonna see what's gonna happen if you don't have the ultimate rain barrier of the CREPPROTECT industry on the shoe. So now let's go outside and see how the product works. So guys, here are the final results of our waterproof testing, As you can see, the Jordan 3s have passed this waterproof test. They're not even close to wet inside. There's because of the CREPPROTECT barrier, and also now you have just to wipe the water off and it's dry, but we are not gonna talk about 97s. They're totally wet. As you can see, here's the water coming off the shoe. So yeah, they didn't pass because I didn't use a CREPPROTECT on them. So CREPPROTECT, thank you CREPPROTECT. Then here's after this long video also a special announcement. So if you haven't already, follow me on the Instagram. Here's gonna be a link. It means a lot, and you have been recently blowing my Instagram account. You can see here statistics. It's absolutely insane. Keep it going, and we're gonna see 2K soon. So the special announcement of this video is that to the end of December, all the way to the 31st of December, or maybe our last video is gonna be uploaded on 27th of December, I don't know yet, but there's gonna be those two dates, and be ready because in every single video till the end of December I'll be doing a special shout outs to the fans and supporters that have been shown class on this channel, and also in the private DMs in my Instagram account. So the first 3 people I want to shout out on this legendary channel are the Access Ellen's card. Here's the Instagram account of him. My buddy, you are the best. If you're watching this video, you helped me a lot with sneaker app and also much other stuff for YouTube, so thank you so much. Then our second is 9 Leaves. My buddy is trying to sell a lot of shoes and bunch of hype stuff, so here's the next Instagram account. So thank you also to you. You've been helping me for giveaway ideas and also a bunch of stuff that are coming on this channel. And the last is awsome. Thank you, buddy, also for your support and for support you gave me on the Instagram. Here's his account also. That's it of today's video. So if you have been nice in the comments or on this YouTube, in the private messages on Instagram. So guys, thank you so much for watching. Make sure you smack that like button. Also drop a bomb on the like button. See you and peace out.